Hello guys, how are you? Hello guys. Let others join too, and we'll be having a long session hopefully today. We'll be scanning through all the markets, we'll be looking through all the things. It's quite right at this time to see the market, as the market is kind of volatile. But yeah, let's see what we got. Hey Christian, I see a regular follower of ours. Hey Carl, hey Andres, hey Richard. Pardon if I am pronouncing your names wrong, but yeah. Hi. Let some of the members join and we start it. Okay. We got quite a fair viewers watching us. Let's begin with BTC. For those of you who remembered, in our previous live stream I discussed about this higher low, then this higher high, this higher low, this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now this is a new higher high. So what can we expect? This is a higher high, then a higher low, and a new higher high. So what can we expect? Until and unless we don't break this area, this higher low, we can't see a potential weakness. If we break this area, we see a potential weakness right here, but for now we are not breaking this, so could be a good news. But yeah, we are creating a new low. So what I see on Bitcoin is this is some kind of a flag, or you say a channel, but what I see on Bitcoin right now is this: we somewhere get to the potential here and then bounce back to the zone, and making some price action more and more interesting. But now what we surely think on chart is we don't break this lower low, or otherwise higher low, otherwise it won't be good enough for Bitcoin, to be very honest. Yeah, the market is very volatile, no doubt. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin 4-hourly time frame and let's see what we got to see here. We got a raw top right here, a shoulder. What we can do is we can pump right till this new zone and make another shoulder, and then we dump back to the price action I told you about. Let me remove all this mess and tell you again. Okay, we have this shoulder right here. If you consider this head, and what I think, if we bounce from here, we create another shoulder like this, making another shoulder, and then we break this neckline, and boom, we are all set to fall. The bears are in control, the bulls are weak. But for now, let's do some Fibonacci magic right here on charts and see how's Bitcoin going. Okay, exactly as I told, we see a bullish shark forming on our charts. Those of you who know harmonic patterns a bit might have recognized already, but yeah, we see a potential reversal zone. Let me mark these zones right here. A potential reversal zone right here, and a potential reversal zone right here. This would be our trade as soon as we get to the entry for our Bitcoin trade, and somewhere stop loss right here. You can consider this as a free trade for all our members who have joined our live and are watching us live doing Bitcoin analysis. Our entry would be right somewhere here as stop loss till this zone, and let's see where we got our take profits to take. Yeah, and this is how we fairly will get a 1 hour trade. But yeah, if we dump more, we get to somewhere right here, then a second entry right here, and then we get our first TP till shift here, and then yeah, this is how bullish shark is gonna work. This is, to be very honest, not to be biased, this is what I think on Bitcoin. And if you want to turn bullish, we need to break this trend line as soon as possible. We need to break this trend line, give a proper retest, and boom, we are ready to go. I'll be updating you guys with regular live streams, or if you haven't joined our Telegram yet, you should surely join our Telegram, or you should also go and look into, what do you say, that VIPs of ours, where we have been providing some pretty good gains already. Okay, let's see if anybody of you got any queries. You can always type your queries on the chat room. I'll be looking at the chat, I'll be responding to each and everybody of you. Today we're gonna do some pretty good analysis on Bitcoin. We're gonna look into some more of it. Let's go to weekly. Let's see how is weekly performing. Let's remove all this. Okay, let's see if we got any FVG gaps right here. Yeah, we do got some pretty good FVG gaps. somewhere in this zone. Okay, to be very honest, these are my long-term targets for Bitcoin. 15,000, 13,000 targets. Yeah, they are totally possible. Anything is possible in this market. It's so volatile with so many immature traders. Anything can happen. Okay, we are done with our Bitcoin thing. Now let's move on to our Ethereum. For those of you who don't know, we longed Ethereum yesterday in our you can say VIP, and got pretty good gains. To be very honest, 35% gains we got on Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum price action is somewhat choppy. We get this and then another. Okay, yeah, we can expect Ethereum to fall up till, if Bitcoin goes bearish, we can expect Ethereum to fall up till 1692 zones, to not to be focusing only on bear side, but also focusing on bullish side. Okay, we have got a pretty huge FVG gap right here. We can refill this too. We never know how Ethereum price action gonna do. We can refill this FVG gap too, and once this FVG gap fills, these all zones get filled, we are all pretty sure that yeah, we are going back up, because FVG gaps are pretty important to be filled. We got some right here, some right here. So yeah, we're just waiting for Bitcoin to show some more clear price action, and we're gonna blast it soon. Not an issue at all. Just to be updated, be with us, join our VIPs, or not, then join our Telegram group or follow us everywhere. Keep updated yourself on website and all, and yeah, we are good to go. You'll surely make some good gains. Okay, let's move on to some Bitcoin dominance and USDT dominance. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance. Okay, Bitcoin dominance fell from a support, gave a retest, and yeah, it's falling since then. Okay, I hope Bitcoin dominance keeps falling, so yeah, we get to see some good moves in alts. Okay, until unless we break this zone for Bitcoin dominance, we don't see a potential good growth toward the alts, towards bear side of alts. But yeah, still, there's this FVG gap we're gonna fill on dominance too. Once this is filled, then we'll be looking more towards breaking towards upside and retesting this FVG gap and all. For those of you who don't know technical analysis, I recommend you guys join our VIP. We'll be posting some educational stuff from very soon, and will help you in designing your own trades with the help of our expertise for sure too. Okay, now we are done with Bitcoin dominance. Now let's move on to USDT dominance. Oh, USDT dominance is rising pretty fast, which means that markets retail traders are not interested in investing into alts and holding much in those things, you can say those USDT, and waiting for a huge dump. But yeah, we'll be trading somewhere in this zone till then. In past live stream I also told you guys we're gonna bounce from here, and exactly we did the same. Those of you who haven't watched it yet, you can watch it, so get to know the idea of how our live streams work and how we do it all. Okay, I'll be looking at Cardano, EGLD, eGold, and every other alt. You guys just need to comment. You guys just need to tell how are you liking the live stream, how's your current experience with the live streams, how are you, do you want anything from us to improve and all. We'll be looking at it all for sure. Okay, moving on, let's go to XRP. Okay, I have got this watch list ready. We'll be looking at each and every chart. Okay, let me remove all of this. Let me remove this indicator too. What do we see on XRP currently? Let's mark this zone. Let's mark this zone. Okay, this is what you call a ranging market. See, first pump, then a dump, then a pump, then again a dump, then again a pump from exit, and then again we are dumping. We got to retest the zone still yet. As soon as we do, we're gonna long this XRP. Okay, let's move on to DOT now. DOT broke its trend line. I have got pretty much few of those analysis done. Broke the trend line. DOT broke the trend line, wasn't able to give a proper retest and hold above, and from that time it's just been going down. We got a huge and pretty nice support for DOT to look up to here. It must respect this zone. If it does, then we'll be waiting for it to pump, retest, and again when it dips here, we're gonna long it. We don't wanna long it here like fools and not waiting for retest and getting into FOMO and all. So we're waiting for it. Okay, I want you guys to respond to the chat. I want you guys to tell me how are you liking the things, how's your experience, do you want anything from us to improve and all. Let's move on to BNB. We already got a pretty good BNB long in our VIPs, already on 100% plus zone, per percent plus gain. So we'll skip this is done. Now let's look have Matic. Now let's have a look at Matic. Okay, this trend line, okay, this trend line is acting as a pretty good support. Let's draw this rotated rectangle too, so we cover all the liquidity we are leaving in the zone. Yeah, okay. Furthermore, we got more to look into XRP and other alts too, so we'll be looking at those too. For those of you who didn't understand anything or any bit of what I have explained till yet, can comment and tell me if you want me to repeat anything, if you want me to, you know, go through things again and again. I'll be doing that too for you, because we don't want you to miss out on anything or any opportunity that market is providing us. Okay, so we were on Matic. Let's continue this. And yeah, so we got this trend line wick ready. Is the screen clear, guys? Yeah, is the screen? I'm into crypto, but I like your. Can you share the chart on VIP Telegram also? Please check. I don't know, can we get some trials on VIP? I don't know much about that. Okay, so I guess the screen is clear once again. Okay, so I'll be posting all these charts. You can, like, I'll be posting some that thing which you can say a poll where you'll be asked which analysis do you want, and I'll be then posting those things. We might long Matic from somewhere right here, I don't know. I'll be looking at it post live session deeply. And then okay, let's look at right now right here. Let's see how Matic is doing. Okay, let's mark this huge support for Matic. Okay, this is a huge support for Matic, gave a retest, and then yeah, let's move on to 4 hours time frame. This is somewhere right here. Let's mark another support for Matic, which is right here. Yeah, this is a pretty huge support, but won't respect it much. Okay, let's then see this. Okay, this is a very nice support. We might wait for Matic to give us a wick to this support, and then we long it from here. So yeah, waiting for all this. Okay, Sami, we got results on our website. We don't give VIPs trial, but yeah, we got results on our VIP on our website, which you can have a look on, which you can go through and see and decide upon. Okay, I'll be looking at Ethereum once more, but our Ethereum trade has been already hit 3 take profits. You must have exited 60% of your trade, but yeah, no issue. You can wait. Patience is the key. Don't FOMO, don't do anything, just wait. If you don't find a trade or we are not posting, we are here for you to make gains, and we have already made a huge gain already. I personally would love to see some live non-recorded trading like this. I personally would love to see some. Okay, we'll be looking at what you are saying, and then we'll be focusing towards this too. Okay, let's move on to Cardano now. Okay, my favorite coin is on the go. My favorite coin is on the go. For those of you who want, we can enter right here, and yeah, we are gonna enter right here. I'll be posting a signal on Cardano maybe after this live session, you don't know, with TPs and stop loss in place. Let's move on to FTM. Oh, FTM is back onto our entry pretty good. Okay, this very nice zone for FTM to be longed. Okay, let me mark this and mark this to keep myself reminded on these two alts. Okay, not you man. AVIX broke our zone. AVIX got to stop loss. We should have longed from here, but we missed it. Anyways, not an issue. Okay, etc price action looks a bit choppy. Some zone right here. Yeah, it's not choppy, but yeah, the Bitcoin price won't allow us to trade freely. But yeah, still we are waiting. AXS on my charts. Let me get this 2 done. AXS 2. Mana broke it. Mana, useless coin. I don't like trading Mana personally. Okay, Sand broke the channel and all. GMT looks really nice. We can expect a pump. We already got a long running in GMT with TP2 or TP4 TP3 or TP4 hit for our GMT trade. But yeah, still we expect a long from here. We can wait. Got a short scalp ready on near, looking for that too. Yeah, don't trade 43x. You don't I personally don't want you to trade 43x. That's not how it should be. Okay, yeah, my final target for Bitcoin is my final target for Bitcoin is in below 15,000 zones. But yeah, let's wait. Okay, Cardano has been already run. You can rewind the live stream and look at it once more. Let's move on to Link broke this Gala. Okay, FLM seems pretty interesting, right? FLM, we long FLM from here. I'm not pretty sure we long FLM from here. We got many longs. Let me get this to chart. Okay, so you see somewhere right here our VIPs are already gonna make some really pretty good gains. So yeah, don't stress out if you are in our VIP. Just wait and watch how we're gonna do it. Okay, let's move on to altcoins, which I think can do 100% gains without leverages on spot. Waiting for them to hit some good supports like this VeChain. Again, we're gonna get this support ready, and I'm gonna mark this too. Guess what, you already seeing what I've been preparing for our VIPs. And yeah, okay, SHIB is a shit coin basically, but yeah, I'll look at it for you. I don't usually like trading shit and SHIB and Doge, but we'll look at that too. Okay, tell me more about how do you want this stuff to be. How do you want the live stream to improve? What timings are you available on? Will be how much flexible it is. Okay, let's do SHIB first. Okay, a SHIB long from here won't be a bad idea. Pretty sure I am. We go from here to all the way this zone. But yeah, okay, let me mark SHIB too. Okay, we already got 5 of our longs ready. We'll be looking at it too. Okay, Christian, to join our VIP, I guess you need to hit our you can say that website, and then you join the VIP for us. Yeah, Natasha, for sure, not a bad idea at all. I like this idea, and I'm personally in future VIP for AltSignals.io. I've been preparing some stuff, and you'll pretty soon see what I've been preparing. Might start posting from tonight, and you might see some change. Yeah, I guess this time is pretty nice for live streams, and we might do some double live streams in a day. We might do 1, we might do 3, depends totally upon the market. And yeah, thanks for your compliment, bro. Okay, Let's move on to some more things. Let's see how one is reacting. Oh, that's pretty bad for one, but guess what, we might get a trade here as well. Okay, 618786. Yeah, good zone for it, but no, we got a butterfly. We might retest till somewhere right here. A risky trade would be avoiding this. Already got five of my longs ready in it. I want all of you 13 viewers we have currently, or more of 15 16. I want you all to share this link with everybody. I want you all to like the video or comment on it once it's posted and tell us how do you like it. I want you all to like this live stream and keep on sharing it so we grow, and with us you too grow. And yeah, be a part of our VIPs, be a part of our team, be the part of AltSignals to make some good gains. Okay, EGLD is on our zone as well. EGLD, let me mark this too. Okay, we got 7 of our longs in place, which I'll be looking at for sure. Okay, for those of you who want me to analyze any stock or oil or gold, we can look at that too. Bitcoin has been done till now. Let me see Bitcoin. Let me tell you one thing for Bitcoin, why I think Bitcoin could be bearish. If you see on this daily chart, we consolidated right here, and then we fell. If you see on this chart again, we are consolidating right here, although this is a big zone, but until unless we break these highs with a proper candle closure above this, we can't see much. We might fall to 18,000 zones and all. And let me show you one more thing. This, right here you see, this was an FEG gap which we filled basically with the help of this wick. This is how important and how crucial FEG gaps are. We filled this FEG gap, fair value gap it is. I told you in my previous live stream what these are. If you haven't watched that, do watch it. And then we pumped, and we are keeping our pump. This is my first time on this session. I'm interested in future trading. Do you share the same signals for high leverage scalping and Binance future? Yeah, we do share our future trades with 3x till 10x. Depends upon you how long you want to trade it. We usually go on trading for 10x in our future VIPs, and we are doing pretty good gains already. Would love to see you in our VIPs, and would love to hear back from you. Joseph. Yeah, we do share it. You just have to follow us to turn your portfolio into a massive one for sure. We have been getting quite good responses back then. And yeah, let's move on to Cardano. Okay, we have looked into BTC and all. We just have got 8 likes till now. I want you all to like this stream. I want you all to follow it. I want you all to keep up with us if you want to grow, if you want to get a good portfolio. GRT sessions following AltSignals from 6 months. Nice to hear you, and wanted to know like how good is Algo for scalping and swing. Algo is pretty dope. Yeah, I would recommend you guys surely to go see Algo, go see how it works. We have got results posted for Algos as well. Anyways, this was a short stream for our Bitcoin and Ethereum and all. Hope to see you guys again too. We'll be following these live sessions tomorrow as well. I hope to see you guys tomorrow too. Stay tuned till then. Stay with us, join our VIPs, focus on our free group as well. If we got huge plans in future, and I'll be posting some educational stuff from now on. Hope to see you guys in the next session as well. Till then, this is your brother saying bye from the other side of the screen. Bye. Okay, let's get this question only. Can you explain the Cardano trade of yesterday? It closed as a loss, but analysis is on. Okay, Cardano trade yesterday, there was no Cardano trade posted in futures, so I can't say much about that. If you have any questions with our future trades, I'll surely answer that to you right here. Okay, if we hit 10 likes on this in next 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes we're gonna extend this live session, and we're gonna have some more analysis. Let's see if we get to 10 likes on this right now. You got 5 minutes to do this. Thanks buddy, thanks Natasha. If you guys have any queries regarding our future trades, you can surely get in touch with me. I'm right here in front of you, telling you on what basis we gave our trades and all. So yeah, finally we got to 10 likes in no time. Okay, for you guys I'll be doing more analysis, and let's see how long we get it. Okay, let's see it Bitcoin on monthly and what we got right here. This month has been pretty good for Bitcoin, but we got some liquidity pending in this zone too. This is some 13,000 zones, which are my targets finally before we end this bull run. But till then we can also expect this zone to be filled, this 16,784. so we filled a Gartley, and once this, no, that's what won't be a Gartley, we might expect to fill this zone basically, 10,584, and once we get till this zone, our take profits would be directly all the way up to, for Bitcoin, which would be a heaven for alts, all the way up to 31,000 first take profit, then 38, then 44, and then all the way up to this 53,000 zone. So still I expect some lower zones for Bitcoin to be filled, and I'm looking forward to that. Thank you Christian, much appreciated man. Hope to see you in our VIP soon. It's good with your signals, Cornex collaboration or move beneficial if I have completion myself. And what is the total margin if I need to go with your guide? Okay, so it's good with Cornex as it saves your time. It's obviously innovation, it's obviously technology, it's obviously good to use Cornex. But if you don't trust such bots, because we do, and that's why we got it in our VIPs too, for people using it more oftenly. But yeah, you can open them manually as well, won't be an issue at all. So you can add margin whenever you want. Okay, so we got our links posted, if anybody has queries about our results as well. Okay, so let's go right to Ethereum. My final target would be the 642. Yeah, it's totally based upon technical analysis, not just going anywhere, but it's totally on technical analysis. When trading reversals on a support, do you want wait for it as like double bottom? It's pretty much complicated. Sometimes I do wait. What is beneficial margin if I join VIP? Okay, I'll get to you on this one too. But yeah, okay, so what I do when I am trading or posting signals, I usually combine many indicators, alt, algo especially. I also combine other things too, and then after a proper retest, after a proper confirmation, then I only go for trade, because it's your money. We want this money to be increased, not decreased by the month, and we are surely on this, and we are successful till now. So yeah, this was your answer for retest. So there are many confirmation, there's many signs behind that, and we don't just go on charts, look at it and just post the signal like others do. We work on quality rather than working on quantity. Still we end up getting 85% plus accuracy this month, but yeah, it is how it's done. I'll be, now that we are done with the analysis, I'll be responding to your chat options. Oh, pretty good. We got already 16 likes. 20 likes is the new goal for our live stream. 20 likes is the new goal for our live stream. I'll be responding to your questions right now. You can ask me anything you want. You can ask me anything regarding any trade posted, or anything regarding technical analysis, or any confusion you have. I'll be answering those. We are done with the TAs. If you want any specific TA, I'll get back to you with that too, not an issue. Okay, 20 likes. Here we go. We are on 17 likes already. 20 likes is what we aim for before we end this live stream. 20 likes. Here we go. 3 more likes left. Any of you who haven't liked the stream yet should do. Okay, for this Cardano trade, let me see how Cardano is acting. Okay, I already got it in my list. Okay, then to be very honest, I'm pretty bullish on Cardano right now if Bitcoin works out, and I'll be posting a trade in VIPs. Hope you don't want to miss out on that. We trade futures on our VIPs with 10x leverage, and to be very honest, the results will be out soon. Till date, till 18th August, we are already on 8x plus gains, 800% plus gains on our future VIPs, and we aiming for, with not to mention, with 85% plus accuracy, and we are aiming to end up at 10x plus gains or 12x plus gains with maintaining our 85 to 90% accuracy as well. I surely want you to test us out. There's no such amount to start with AltAlgo. You should go visit the website and see how things are going right there. You would find a proper guide till here. What are we doing, guys? We got 3 likes to remain. We got 3 likes remaining. Share this live stream, like the stream, and I'm waiting for you all. Okay, then sure, but then for sure I'll be, if you are in VIP, you won't miss on Cardano. Just as this stream ends and we are done with a specific analysis, we surely gonna do some longs, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna work out, so we are waiting for them. Any other confusion you guys have with us, any other confusion you want us to sort out, we are doing it live on stream. I want you guys to share it with your friends, your family members who trade crypto, who trade financial markets, and yeah, just looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Satoshi Grinder, for complimenting us on our trading experience. Looking forward to more gains in futures. Okay, Christian, I hope you are surely guided, and you'll find those YouTube tutorials from our YouTube channel as well, if I'm not wrong. And yeah, that's all you need to push forward to and start trading. Delson, to be very honest, our stop loss don't hit much often, but when it does, we don't lose our last 5 days profit margin. We only lose about 30% on 10x, which means a 3% on spot. But yeah, surely you don't lose here. We have only lost around, we have got 3 stop loss till now, with around 25 take profits in this month. So yeah, all you need to do is focus on risk management, and as Rod is saying, you should focus more towards shifting your stop loss to break even and avoiding losses once the trade is in profit. But yeah, we don't hit stop loss more often, but when we do, we don't lose much. I guess the last stop loss was a week ago or at the start of month, I don't remember it. But yeah, you will find everything on our website. We don't actually hit stop loss more usually, I'm telling you, to be very honest. But if we do, then we only lose 30% on future, which means 3% on spot. Our risk to reward ratio is kind of good too, and with our expertise, you are surely gonna make some gains. yeah, Natasha, as Rod has told you, if you want to get to this point, we will be offering one-on-one coaching, not one-on-one coaching, but yeah, I'll be there for you to guide and be 24/7 on chat support for all the lifetime members. So if you are not a lifetime member and a member who is paying monthly, I would recommend you to shift to our lifetime membership and get the perks out of it, so you don't need to worry about other things. Just join our VIP, join our thing, and we are good to go with you. Okay, any other analysis you guys want, any other queries? Me and my team member are here to tell you. Okay, let me explain you a concept. Okay, let's leave everything, let me explain you a concept, a basic technical analysis concept. What we call what okay, let's go. Each and everyone, I want you to be focused. I want you to be really focused on what I'm gonna teach you right now. It's very important. It's about support and resistance. For those of you who don't know technical analysis, it's basic, and we'll be going more into depth as soon as our time reaches and we do more and more live. So today we are gonna do some support and resistance stuff. Okay, what is a support? Support is your price bounce. For example, this is a support. For example, this is a support. The candle structure is somewhere like this, and we again fall here, then again pump here, and then after some dump we again fall here, then some pump we again fall here, then some pump we again fall here. This is what you call support. From support, what we do is we usually long with a stop loss somewhere below the support. Let me tell you how support actually works. Let me get it on XRP. So see, let me remove all this thing, and so you get it clear of how support usually works. You see, every time we are pumping, we are getting back on support. Every time we pump, we get back on support, again back on support. So we can have a proper long from here, This is what you call support. And what you call resistance is from where the price retraces. This is what you call resistance. As you see, now price pumps here, then backs to support, resistance, back to support, resistance, back to support. This is what you call arranging market of support and resistance. This is a key to trade. This is a key to, you can see, this is a key to gain more and more gains with basic technical analysis. Okay guys, any other confusion regarding our group, regarding our live sessions, regarding anything, you can just ask us for that, and then we'll be winding up this live session. And yeah, let's see if you got any of you who have any queries regarding market, regarding anything, regarding our VIPs, regarding our trades, anything you want us to improve in this live session, you can tell us. So next time when we are here, we get more and more improvement. I guess there are none. So yeah, we'll be winding this live session. Good to see you guys, especially Christian, Natasha, Deal, and Dan, and all those who joined, all those who took their time out to join our live session, all those who got to know how Bitcoin price action is gonna work. Yeah, I'll be looking at oil. Okay, Christian, for you, I'll be looking at oil. I just appreciated you, so I'll be looking at oil for you. Okay, so all those who joined, thank you for joining us, and yeah, that's all. Let's just have a deep look into oil, and then yeah. So I've got this analysis done for oil. This is a head and shoulder basic price action, and if we close below this, if we consolidate somewhere below this, then what I think for oil is, first of all, we're gonna fall here, and the next target for oil would be right here. So yeah, I expect $82 zones for oil. This is what I think of oil, if only if we are not able to break this resistance. Okay, oil has been sorted for you, Christian, too, on your special request. Thank you guys, thank you Sajjad for joining us. Good to see you here. I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Till then, have a good time, do trade with us. I hope to see you in our VIPs too, with lifetime membership, so you get the top perks. Thank you guys, bye.